The first one is student gender, age, study time, absence, travel time, internet access at home, and health. Our goal for this study is first, we want to identify the student's background. Second, we want to know about the weekly study time and number of days of absence. To know about their extracurricular activities. Last but not least, we want to find a travel time from their home and current health status.
Now I will explain about the methodology part. The first one, there is a data collection. For this report, we do not collect any data by surveying or creating a kind of questionnaires, but we are given a data set by our lecturer, in which this type of study is that of descriptive research in nature. What is meant by descriptive research is a type of conclusive research related to the illustration of the characteristic of a specific person or a group. In order to gather complete and accurate research data, the method applied must be carefully planned. Second, method of data analysis. From the data we have obtained, it can be seen in the data there are 150 students in Portuguese language course, and also given data about each student's background, such as gender, age, mother's job, father's job, study time, absence of classes, their grades result, travel time to school, other activities in school, internet at home, relationship, and healthy status. The scale measurement of the data can be determined from each variable. The third, statistical tools used. In this study, we use Microsoft Excel to analyze the data provided by the lecturer. Microsoft Excel itself is a program to process numbers using a spreadsheet consisting of rows and columns to execute commands. We use Excel to make it easier to arrange data into charts or graphs by utilizing the features available in the application.
We can see that frequency of female is higher than of male. Female have 79 students, while male have only 71 students. Therefore, the percentage of female which is 55%, while male student only 47%. The age of student Portuguese. The mode of age for student Portuguese is age 15 with the higher frequency which is 75 students or 50%. The lower frequency is age 19 which is 0.67% and only one student. The median age of students is age 17, that is the middle number between age 15 to 19. Internet access at home for student Portuguese. We can see that students who have internet access at home, which is 125 students or 83%, while students don't have internet access at home, which is 25 students or 17%. In conclude, the most of the students have internet access at home. Bar chart in figure shows weekly study time for student Portuguese. The weekly study time 2 to 5 hours, which is 44%, with the highest frequency was 71 students. So the mode of weekly study time is 2 to 5 hours. The second highest weekly study time is less than 2 hours with 43 students, which is 29%. The lowest frequency with weekly study time more than 10 hours, which is 10% and only 50 students.
The bar chart of figure shows the number of exams for student Portuguese. Frequency of exam 0 to 4 days are the highest, which is 110 students or 73.33%, and frequency absence 15 to 19 days are the lowest, which is 2 students or 1.33%. Figure shows the student final grade in Portuguese language course. Most of the students had got final grade 10 to 12, which is 70 out of 150 students, or 46.67%, and least of the students had got the grade 16 to 18, which is 7 out of 150 students, or 4.67%. Our figure shows home to school travel time of student Portuguese. Most of the students from home to school travel time are less than 5 minutes, which is 104 out of 150 students, or 69.33%. List of the student home to school travel time are more than 1 hour, which is 5 out of 150 students, or 3.33%. Student current healthy status. Frequency of accident current healthy status are the highest, which is 71 students, or 47%, and frequency of poor current healthy status are the lowest, which is 14 students, or 9%.
From the analysis made on the respondent profile analysis, we can see that only the minority of the students got the higher grade in the Portuguese language course. It is because some of them only spend 2 until 5 hours per week to study. It can be affected their grade if they do not use their time wisely. Internet access at home is very important for the students to do their revision. Most of the students have a good internet access at their home. Next, we can see that the number of absent students is really satisfied because almost all students attend their class. However, there must be a reason why the students do not attend the class. There are many students who live near to the school, and some of them live far from the school. It took a long time to arrive at school. Student health issue status also the factors of the number of student absence. Luckily, only small group of the students who have very poor health status